Congratulations on leaving America and moving to the country of your choice. For me, that is South Africa. Now here's what you need to know on your first 90 days on the ground. Some of this you can start before you even board the plane. Here's the full playbook before and after landing. eSIM, bank account, and WISE. All three can be set up before you leave, so knock them out as early as you can. 1. Get legal. Didn't grab that eSIM ahead of time? That's priority number 1, the moment you land. Check your entry stamp before you leave the airport. 2. Money. Didn't get that bank account or WISE set up yet? Well, that's your first errand. Get that bridge up and moving so funds can follow you. 3. Home. Short term first. Never sign a lease from abroad. Get there on the ground first after you've been there for a few months, then sign the lease. 4. Health coverage and wills. Get those sorted out before you even need it. Are you buying or leasing a car, or are you using Uber or Bolt to get around the city? 5. Your people. Find them first. Everything else gets easier once you do. There are tons of Facebook and social media groups and WhatsApp groups that are filled to the brim with nothing but black expats. The full playbook is free. Grab the starter kit. The link is in the bio.